Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I said it's hot, you don't know what I mean, guys. It's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, I am doing a little story time. Nothing much, but with an incident that happened to me today. Guys, before I go into the incident, I want you guys to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. What I'm gonna talk about today, guys, is about taking care of human beings. You know, think about other people and not just thinking about yourself. You know, think about, you know, what you can do to help a person that is down. You know, if you're in a position, you know, like you have people out there now is, you know, I am not in a good position. Where I said not being a good position, I'm not somebody who rich, somebody who have money like that. But then there's other people who is a little bit worse off than me. You understand? And I am doing this little story time with you guys, you know, because there's people out there who see other people suffering, who see other people in need, and them don't try to lend an helping hand. You understand? But you know, things is hard. You know, food right now is very expensive. A person would rather buy you an outfit than buy you something to eat, because it costs you more now to eat something than to put a piece of clothes on your back. You understand me? But you see, food is the stuff of life. Food is a necessity. You know, food is something where people need. You understand? So, you know, why I'm saying this is that I went to the grocery store and there was a gentleman there who wanted to buy some baby feed for his baby, and he did his card and it declined. He didn't have any money, and there was so many people. There was people that he asked, you know, like that see that he is in need, and nobody step up to the plate and help him.
Like I said, I just lost my job and it's getting declined. Okay, I'll have to leave it then. I'm sorry. Sorry. You have a baby to I have a baby, but I don't have the money. Take care. It declined. This is all I have. It's okay then. It's okay. It declined again? I'm gonna have to leave it then. I have nothing. I'm gonna have to. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because of your kindness, I want to pay for everything that you have. I don't really need it, but I wanted to see who would step up for me. Because there are many dads out there who are struggling. Everyone ignored me, and I want to pay for all of your groceries today.
For kids, it doesn't matter how young or old. Once it's food, people should be willing to buy people food because it's food. That's my take on it.
And you know the change? Can you just give her the change? Thank you so much.
Okay.
God bless you.
You understand? And that is food for a baby, you know. So I step up to the plate to help him to get the food that he needed for the baby. And then he told me that he doesn't need it. He was just doing a social experiment. But there's people out there who needed stuff like that, who need baby food or food to eat. You know, like when I'm go to the supermarket and I see the guys them sit outside, and I come back outside, I offer them something, you know, like buy a sandwich, or offer them something to eat, you know. Sometimes you give them the money and they need the money for drugs, but it's not all the time all of them needed the money for drugs. You can look on a person and you can tell if that person needed something to eat. So, you know, I help out the guy, but then it turned out that he didn't need the help. But this little talk that I'm talking is just to to say that, you know, there's people out there like that. There is a lot of single mom who's struggling. There's a lot of single man who's struggling, you know, who have them kids and don't have food to give them, you know. So any of you guys go out there and find yourself in a situation where you see somebody like that who in need of food, you know, just try the best and help them out as best as you can. I know life is hard. I know money is hard because interest rate gone up, like cost of living gone up, you know, and everybody pays stay the same. You understand? When you go to the grocery store, stuff that you used to buy for $2, now they're selling it for $6. You know, a buckle of oil, what you used to buy for $3, now you're paying $12. So everything is 3 times the price that it was 3 years ago. You understand me? And everything, everybody blame everything on COVID. No, COVID is not to blame for everything. It's just those big corporation that's want to make the money, that said that they're not making no money. All those big supermarket that say that they're not making no money, they are making money. You understand me? And you know, and a lot of people, they pay remain the same. You know, you pay 3 times the price for something, but your pay is still $16 or $15 or over what it is. It's still the same. You understand? And I know it's hard and I know it's tough, but I am just asking, you know, you guys out there to help out your fella human being, you know, and lend them a hand and, you know, offer them some food. If your sister them really in need of some food, you offer them this food, because food, as I said, is the star for life. That is necessity. That is something that you eat, that you need to keep your body, you know, put nourishment in your body and to keep you going, to live, to go on for another day. I probably sound like I am babbling, but the fact that that gentleman needed food for his baby and nobody step up to the plate to help him out, that is unacceptable. That is unacceptable right now in a dem time here. You understand? You're supposed to can lend that helping hand to your fellow human being, because we all have hard times sometime. You understand? So that is my little story time that I have to say. It's not much, but that's what it is. So anyway, guys, I am going to sign off on my story. You understand me? And it's just like, subscribe and share and hit my post notification bell. But I really had to come and, you know, voice my opinion on that, to see that nobody would step up to the plate and offer this man, you know, something for his baby. And it's a baby, you know. So anyway, guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.